Toby. Nope. Going to the pond, probably. We're getting ready to harvest those. I said we're getting ready to harvest those. Come on, Rebel. Letting them dry. Turn them into powder. You can also put them in the air. I don't know. Hang on a minute. It's just Jamie, Fast and Girl Crafts are doing the walkthrough. After 2 inches of rain. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know. I mean, it's still a little chilly, but
Well, I mean, I could lock him up. But
I don't know. Whatever you want to do, Ma.
oh wait, we should be
I just don't want him to get eaten by them damn,
two grays out.
those damn cats. Come on, Beretta. We got our cat crew with us. Look how beautiful that is. All right. Hey. Come on. Those are daffodils. Dark. Oh, we got water. We got water in the pond. Got water in the pond. My allergies are on. Yeah. My allergies are on point today, y'all. On point. It's bright. We lost a lot of apricots. A little bit of ground.
Damn!
It's still loaded though.
Cover.
It's still loaded though. Apparently. Come on, guys. Yeah. There's water in her. A little bit, at least. There they go. Oh, they stopped. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, Bruce. Get out of there. Makes my low back hurt just thinking about it. Standoff between Rebel, Willa, and Toby. Who's showing? Oh, Toby's moving first. Oh!
That's gotta be cold.
Oh, I just got water sprayed all over me. Thanks, pups. Appreciate that. Ah. Look at her protecting Rebel.
Rebel honey, that's ice cold. It was frozen this morning, sissy.
Look at Barrett sitting over there like he's a big boy. Oh, she's gonna catch him, yeah. She's so ornery.
Is that you?
Shouldn't be. Oh, big boys are running now.
60. What is this thing?
Willow tree seed pods, I think. Or something. Ah!
Y'all need to chill.
He was shaking. Go up and around this way and see if there's any. Oh, there comes Piper.
Yeah, I gotta hurry.
Go on.
Well, I got yours up there too.
I said go on. Hey, you two. Come on, Brutus. Bring them back. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. There's Ruger. Come on, B. We're gonna cut up by this side. Hi, Toby. So handsome, Toby. Huh? This is our mower junkyard. I gotta go through all this and pull all the metal, the aluminum, cast aluminum, and copper out of all this stuff. Yay me. So, eventually, it'll, might bring a few bucks. I don't know either, Ma. Toby, you sound like a damn horse.
I sprayed on that weed killer.
Yeah.
And apparently it ain't working.
Well, you want that grass up there because it'll help hold that dirt on that shelter. Okay. We're just cutting through. Ow, ow, ow. What? Why are you bringing her out?
She came out with me
Well, why are you bringing her down here and not...
because I had to chase her down to Mom's.
Hi, Jinx. Put her down. The cat dogs are going to chase her.
I know, that's
'Cause-
why I haven't put her down.
Because right there's Brutus. Hi. Hi, Jinx. Hi, babies.
You
Stop.
protect her.
Stop it.
Let me take her back in. I'm trying to do the cat pan.
Okay.
Oh, I see the dinglings went swimming.
Oh, yeah, they're down. Yeah. Yeah. They're bathing me, too. Jinx will be our next one that goes out, Ma. He's carrying her around.
Thunderbolt's out here somewhere. Bullet.
Thunderbolt. Thunderbolts of lightning. Very, very frightening.
Some over here.
Yeah. Do you think we're going to have mushrooms with these dogs? Toby probably eat the sons of bitches before we ever found them. Let's see. Look for the little... Yeah. There was some over there.
Some over there.
Along that bank. Whoop his ass. Whoop that ass.
Gonna have to warm up just a little bit though.
I don't know. Other people in Oklahoma are finding them, and they're just as cold as we are. But yeah,
You usually have some nice ones right in here.
yeah. Get out! Come on,
That's
well,
dry.
Rebel. Yeah, I hate them green briars.
And then up here.
I'm tired. Didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. I read a book until 3 something, and then I was back up 2 or 3 times with the dogs, and then getting up with Cat to take it to the vet.
This is them.
I know, cut these briars back again.
Look at that.
Yeah,
I
they hurt. They hurt. They hurt a lot. Because they reach out and grab you.
want to check up down here.
Check both places. Come on, dogs. Rebel. There's Charlie. Hi, Charles. Come on, Reb. Toby, Willa. I ain't going around this year. There's one.
Where?
Found one. Y'all,
Where?
see if you can spot it. Oh, look at how big it is.
I don't spot it.
Look at it. There's 2.
Well, I would if I could. Where is it?
Over there beside the...
Oh, way over there. I was looking here.
Brutus, get... Get your big ass
You
away.
ready for them? I'll pick them.
No, I'm just gonna let them go to seed.
Why?
Because I don't need them. That was Dad's thing.
It's already broke off.
Well, that's because we got dipshits.
Did you show them?
Yeah, that's what a morel looks like. Yeah, I'm not trying to show shit.
This one's already broke off, so I'll go ahead and pick it.
I'm trying to knock the spores out. I guess we should have planted those seeds that...
I've planted them before, Sissy.
No, remember that those seeds that I bought last year? Or year before last? Yay!
You don't, Dookie, do.
Oh no, it's right there. Don't, there's Smudge. We found one! Or two. Hi, Bruce. Come on, dogs!
Yeah, I was looking. I wasn't looking back. I was looking
They
right
look all over.
straight down.
Yeah, they look like a sponge. And they are expensive. They are expensive to buy. Because they're so hard to cultivate.
I may have just been overlooking them.
Yeah. I'd really like to get us a little crop of them going.
Well, you said you didn't need them.
I don't, but still. You can give them away.
I don't think so.
You can give them to Heather.
We're not that nice.
Sure we are. We can barter with Heather. Maybe she'll make us some bacon.
Well,
If I give her some mushrooms. I have to tag her in this video. Be like, Heather! Need some bacon.
look at these beautiful little flowers.
Yeah,
Aren't they pretty?
yeah. Need some bacon.
I said George might eat it. I don't know.
Yeah, you got to
Beautiful
salt water.
little thing.
You got to soak these in salt water because there's, and you can. We like to split them.
Ants love those things.
Ants, slugs. So you have to open them up and make sure there's no bugs.
Yeah, just
And then
something
you
in
bread
salt
them
water.
in like a cornmeal.
Flour cornmeal mixture.
Yeah, of course. Like a fish fry
Lightly-
mix.
Lightly frying.
Lightly fry them. Oh, I used to really like them, but I don't like mushrooms anymore. Willa? Rebel?
Yep. Tomorrow yeah.
They'll be popping.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll get some heat. It's gonna be like 65 today.
Yeah.
Look at those big limbs up here. I've never seen these little flowers before.
Yeah. You can tell my size difference to Mom since I got 100 pounds on her.
I don't know what. where these
100 pound
things
plus,
got
y'all.
started from.
I don't know. There's crown vetch growing in between, down by,
Path.
down by the Dad's thornless blackberry. Come on, Willa. There's Blaze. There's B. Ouch, just twisted my knee. Son of a meech. Ouch. Oh. That limb's not on there no more.
Huh? You found a grape?
Yeah.
Good.
That's another widowmaker we got to get down. Mom, I'm not trying to show your ass on video.
Don't look at it.
You're in front of me.
Can't pick it up.
It's like moon. Alley-oop. Look at all that. Willa. Yay, I'm so happy. Barrett laying down. Yeah. No. If you don't want to burn, I ain't doing it. I'm fat and lazy, Ma. Yeah. We got so many broken limbs and trees. Look at that vine. That's a vine. Possum grape. Toby! Come here. Good boy. Let's go. No, I didn't see any, Ma. Remember, I wanted to make a little. I got.
Seeds over there, honey.
Yeah. Remember, we were gonna do the manure and all that, and kind of turn up here into a little mushroom. Jesus. Mama. Y'all want to know where I get it from? There you go.
More.
Yeah.
More?
What?
Yeah, see, I put mushroom seeds
Yeah.
under those logs or
Yeah.
in those logs.
Hi, Tobe. Yeah. Okay. Here's a Brutus. That's the dog I was picking up. Huh, Booty. See, Mama's stronger than what people think she is. Because I'll break myself in order to... I have broken myself, y'all. I have. Alright, Ma. I'd really like to get those trees dropped, but I don't know if we're going to do it today. We got 2 appointments this week, too. Those are honeysuckles. No! Thank you, ma'am. Stop chasing Beretta. They'll beat your butt. Let's go. Now that's Blaze. That's Beretta's sister. I need to get my phone into the shop because broken screen protector. I think my cat landed on it and broke the damn glass screen protector that I have on it. Yeah, we got 2 inches of ouch rain. There's more onions for you. Yeah. There's our little seeds we need to water. And we keeping them in the storm shelter. We gotta get some water on these guys.
Blackberries starting to bloom.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Well,
I know. It's the temperatures that are... Look at that. If you're going to go strawberries and asparagus, go your strawberries and asparagus together.
asparagus need picked today.
Get your ass out of there, Willa! I don't see any. Because asparagus doesn't like nitrogen and strawberries do. Look at that big fat one coming up. Right there. Look at that big fat one.
It's the age.
Yeah.
The little skinny ones is like this here. The thicker they are, the older the plant is.
Yeah.
I got mint in there too. I think it's fair.
Yeah.
They're squishing
It's a-
down my catnip. I put new catnip seeds in here. We're going to have to put something over because look at them.
Yeah.
They're smashing them down.
Yeah. Imagine that. Yeah, basically. Here, get out her ass. Anyway, I'm going to show you this. This is either... We don't know what the hell this is. It's either turmeric. I don't think it's ginger because of the stem or the leaf on it. But that's mint. That's catnip.
That
So,
other thing's a Johnny Jump Up.
this thing?
Yeah, that's a Johnny Jump Up. It's a little purple flower.
Okay. Take your mushroom. Good job, Ma.
Get out of there. I got stuff planted.
Got blooms starting.
We got to get this tarragon.
Get your ass out of there, Willa.
Okay.
Yeah, before it goes to seed. Just chop it all back.
Well, you got to have a place to put it, honey, to dry it.
I got an air fryer that's got a dehydrator on it.
Yeah, I got. You want some?
Yeah.
Knife?
Scissors?
No.
You got some scissors?
Yo, someone do.
Okay. Need to get my mount out. Really? Give me the hunk of shit ones, huh?
No, these are not good.
I know they're not good. Spring.
Yeah, these aren't so good. They're pretty lousy.
Don't come that far down. You want the plant to come back.
It will.
Not that.
You know, it survived all winter. It'll come back.
Quit cutting it so low, Ma.
Honey, this thing's going to take off and just keep it growing, okay?
Beat Mama with Tarragon. Oh,
You
smells.
need a...
No, I'm gonna go put it in my air fryer.
Okay.
Put it on dehydrate and go.
Little Bill is making it.
Yeah. You use willow bark.
Coming back.
Willow bark to make aspirin. That's what that tree is. All right. All right, y'all.
Chamomile here.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
What's blooming is chamomile. All right. Oh, my neck isn't happy. Oh, no. Anyway. Hope you guys have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Me yelling with the dog some more. What do you got? You better put that down. I gotta go see what Willa has. Y'all, she wears me out. She's into everything. What did you get? What'd you go find, Willa? Was it a carrot or shit? Good job. What is that? Stay out of stuff, Willa. Yeah, okay. Uh-huh.
My ferns are popping through.
Yeah. Anyway. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you guys again soon.
See my little
Bye, y'all.